morning, good morning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Good morning, early in the morning. I say good morning. In the morning I clap my hands. In the morning I do my dance. In the morning I shout hooray. This is going to be a wonderful day.
Good morning, children. I am your Nikita ma'am. Today we are going to learn a new number 14. But before that, we are going to revise all the previous numbers.
Let's revise all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Now we will learn the new number 14.
This is number 14. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 plants. 1, 4, 14. What are these? Yes, these are butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 butterflies. These are animal faces. Let's count how many animal faces are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 animal faces. Let's do the counting of flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 flowers.
Now, children, I will give you the worksheet of number 14.
In this worksheet, you have to count and color the cupcakes. Children, you have to count the cupcakes one by one and then color them.
I hope you all had fun. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.